Welcome to Godrej Properties, where excellence meets innovation. Welcome to this journey of quality and dedication, and allow me to take you through it. I am Anuj Rathi, Project Director of Godrej South Estate.
I am Vijendran. I am the Project Manager of Godrej South Estate project.
I am Akash Gupta. I am part of Project Operation Team.
Hi, I am Amol Sawant, Mechanical Engineer from Godrej South Estate.
Hi, I am Nitish Bharadwaj, taking care of planning at Godrej South Estate.
Please allow me to take you through this journey of how and why and what we do with respect to what we do with quality and the dedication of the team that there is on site at Godrej South Estate.
In Godrej Properties, we committed to deliver leak-proof homes to the customers.
जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि क्वालिटी एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर है किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए. एंड बीइंग अ फैमिली मेंबर ऑफ गोदरेज, आई अश्योर यू दैट यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग व्हाट यू वांट.
So essentially, one of the examples that come to my mind is that how finicky we are about the whole structural stability bit, where we go to the extent of not only evaluating what comes to the site, but also the raw material that goes in it. So if I talk to you about a simple thing like ready-mix concrete, so each and every ready-mix concrete truck that comes to the site is checked for various parameters, and a report is made, and that is lodged, signed off by more than 3-4 people that are there on site.
हम क्वालिटी में कई सारे एस्पेक्ट्स हैं जिन पर हम देखते हैं, जिन पे हम बात करते हैं, जिन्हें हम इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. सबसे पहला है कंक्रीट. जो भी कंक्रीट हमारे साइट पे आता है, उसके आने से पहले, आने टाइम पे और आने के बाद हम उसकी प्रॉपर चेकिंग करते हैं.
And it doesn't stop there. We actually go to the contractor's site or the vendor's site, and we check all the raw materials that the contractor is procuring. It goes to that extent of detailing to make and do what we do, and it is largely to satisfy ourselves that the kind of product that we are offering to our customers should be none other than anything that is being constructed across the world. So that is the quality standard, the quality parameters that we have set for ourselves, and it doesn't stop there. I think one of the key things that the organization has asked us to do is to take forward whatever the vendor proposes. I think we better that. One of the critical things that we had done is whenever we design buildings in general, we get this grade of concrete.
एंड पोरिंग ऑल्सो इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसके लिए हम SCC यानी कि सेल्फ कॉम्पैक्टिंग कंक्रीट यूज करते हैं, जिसमें कि वाइब्रेटर्स की जरूरत नहीं होती है, जिससे कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट बेटर क्वालिटी का होता है. जो टाइम लगता है पोरिंग का वो भी कम होता है, जिससे कि जो हमारे क्रैक्स डेवलप होने के चांसेस रहते हैं वो भी लगभग बंद हो जाते हैं.
So largely what we do is that we take that grade of concrete and we better it. So on site we are not using just what's been governed by the consultant. We use a better grade of concrete so that our buildings last a lifetime, and even much more than the lifetime of people. I think it's such a valued possession for people that we can't make mistakes in this, and that is largely what we have done at Godrej Properties, and specifically at Godrej South Estate. There's another example as well. So, and I'll just like to elaborate on that how detail oriented we are with respect to our waterproofing. I think that is one very, very key parameter that we had taken upon ourselves, that we will excel in this, and we will not accept anything, any kind of, I wouldn't even say substandard, but even standard work is not accepted. I think what we do is we excel on those parameters. There is a very, very rigorous testing of waterproofing that is done post the waterproofing is done.
There is no issue on water leakage or everything. So for making the leak-proof homes, the major criteria is the waterproofing works. So in Godrej Properties, we will taking the special attention on waterproofing works, and we are ensuring that the proper method has been followed. So for making the waterproofing more effective, we have taken the following steps in Godrej Properties. First, if we talk about the layout, in toilets, we are giving only RCC walls in the place of brick walls. Generally, all the builders will give the brick walls and some part only RC walls. But in Godrej Properties, we are giving the all walls RCC walls, because compared to brick wall, RCC wall has a more durability to withstand the seepage of water. This is the first step we have taken in the Godrej Properties. So we are providing suspension ceiling in the toilets. So what is suspension ceiling? In suspension ceiling, if we talk about the toilet in future, what seepage, leakage issues happening due to the non-maintenance of plumbing fixtures. So these are the plumbing fixtures where the joint cap has been provided that has to be periodically maintained. So by giving the ceiling suspended system, these plumbing pipes are easily accessible and it can be maintained, periodically maintained. In Godrej Properties, what stand we have taken? The wall adjacent and opposite to shower area, we are doing the waterproofing till 1.5 meter height. Since in opposite to shower area, there is a lot of chances of water ingress into the wall. Generally, the builders will not do this, but as a Godrej Properties, we committed to quality. We are doing this. In South Estate project, in all the wet areas, waterproofing, we have used electrometric coating of 2K compound. And for podium and terrace, we are using the polyurethane treatment. And also, we are procuring the material from the most trusted brands such as BASF, Fosroc, and Pidilite. So we are using only the approved brands so that we are ensuring that good quality waterproofing happened. We are doing the damp proof coating on the external surface before starting the painting work. This damp proof coating will act as a barrier and it will avoid the water ingress into the wall. Because you just imagine if after handover also, if some issues happen in the external surface in dead wall portion, it is very difficult to address because that is not easily accessible. We have to make some arrangements like RSPs or scaffolding, then only we can able to address the issue. So we are taking the precautionary measures starting itself and we are doing the over protection, and also wherever we are starting the brickwork, below the brickwork we are doing the anti-capillary coating for the extra precautions, so it will act as a water barrier, so we can avoid the water ingress in future.
Here in Godrej South Estate, we are using 1200 mm by 600 mm tile in flooring in toilets in wet areas, adding spacer in the between the toilets up to 2 mm gives a rich, vibrant look to our toilets.
जो पानी यूज करते हैं उसका भी एक अपना सिग्निफिकेंस होता है। कोई भी पानी हम कंस्ट्रक्शन में यूज नहीं कर सकते। सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट अगर कंक्रीट का होता है, जिससे आप उस टाइम भी फेस करेंगे जब आप कोई भी फ्लोर लेंगे या उसके बाद भी, उसका सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होता है हम कौन सा वाटर यूज कर रहे हैं। हम आपको इंश्योर कर दें कि हम आरओ वाटर यूज कर रहे हैं। आरओ वाटर जिसमें कि पीएच वैल्यू जो लिमिट परमिसिबल लिमिट होती है उसी में होता है, और इट इज द बेस्ट वाटर यूज्ड फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन। आरओ वाटर के अपने अलग एक फायदे हैं। आरओ वाटर में क्लोराइड एक लिमिट तक होती है। आरओ वाटर में जो पीएच वैल्यू रहता है वो परमिसिबल लिमिट तक रहता है।
Today in this era where technological improvement is so necessary, the same has been provided in our project Godrej South Estate. We have installed 20 NOS outdoor air purifiers that are so designed and scientifically placed so that the customer shall imbibe the best and richness of the air quality. When the customer shall enter the premises, they will find rightly placed an outdoor air purifier that has been designed in a hexagonal shape so that the air throw is maximum. The PM 2.5 and PM 10 levels are so managed that the best air quality is provided to the customer. The outdoor air purification system is not only restricted to outside, but we have also provided indoor air purification system inside our flats. The display and monitor module shall be rightly placed in the living room, so whenever the customer comes and he will in space or he or she will find out that the best levels are displayed right in the living room, and so that the luxurious and the best way can be examined inside the flat.
So our air purification system, I'll tell you, is not by any vendor which is very local. We are getting all of these air purification systems from Germany. I think this is what we generally don't, tell to our customers, but these are the kind of stories that need to come out. We have people who have gone to Germany and understood what this technology is about, have seen it live as to what it does, and we have also installed sample before even finalizing as to what technology and which all technology we are to go ahead with, and understood that this works. Then only have we gone ahead and given an order. And soon, I'm very sure that we will see all of this in action, and you will be able to enjoy the freshest of air that Delhi has to offer at Godrej South Estate. Thank you for choosing Godrej South Estate. We are committed to providing the highest quality of living experience and the most comfortable experience that you will ever have in your lifetime with Godrej South Estate. Thank you.